Many people don't know how to eat. Today, let's share a new way of eating. It's very delicious and ready to eat. First, we put the selected bean curd into cold water and soak it for 10 minutes, which can effectively remove the beany smell inside, and then prepare it. Order your favorite side dishes, then heat the oil in a pan, add pepper, green onion, dried chili, and sauté until fragrant, then add a backline bean paste, then add a spoonful of hot pot bottom material, turn on a low heat, stir fry until fragrant, then add no after boiling Chan's tap water. Let's put a spoonful of salt, a spoonful of sugar, a spoonful of pepper, and half a spoonful of raw soy sauce, boil for 30 seconds, then use a meat spoon to beat out the slag inside, then pour it into the prepared side dishes and turn on a low heat stew for 5 minutes, then take it out. Then put in the soaked bean skin and roll it slowly for 5 minutes, then add some minced garlic, then some dried chili, then some peppercorns, and finally put some chopped green onion and sauté in hot oil until fragrant. If you have a bottle at home, you have to do this like me. Oh my God, it's really delicious. Finally, follow me like that. Only when you're cooking can you find me. Thank you.